Madam CEO, you're on loudspeaker. I want him to hear and you to hear. What the issue is, when they were doing when they came 2019, there are some which were captured. I'm not refusing that, but there are many who have not been captured who are behind. So what I'm just telling them, we appreciate the work they have done, but let them go back instead of starting from the middle. Let them go back from the point A as they go to conclude to Z. So even if it means me and you sharing the days, if it is 5 days, I can even contribute from my CDF, so that we solve a problem that will haunt us. Yes, here 5 days we can even share the commission and ourselves.
That's what I'm asking, but he's saying
yes.
They have already done the evaluation for the previous area. Now I'm also asking if there are parcels which were not done evaluation,
yes,
then they have to finish.
Yes.
But what he's telling me now is that they have completed that part. Maybe you only need to look at the evaluation for what they have done.
That's what
if there are other parcels which were left out,
yes,
then good, they finish.
Yes.
So he's listening to me.
Yes.
Let me Odhiambo, Austin.
Yes.
Austin, what you do, what Mashma is saying, it is true that you've done evaluation for some parcels.
Yeah.
But some parcels were left out in 2019.
Exactly.
So if that happened, if it was an omission on our part, why don't you finish?
Yeah, that's what I want to finish, the part which we need to do.
Yes.
Then the ones we did,
yes,
they can scrutinize.
It's okay, the ones we did,
so that it can be clean.
And then the ones which were not done, that's the concern of the consumer.
Yeah.
My concern is something that me and Odhiambo, there is a place of we are not coming together and you are not getting us right. What they have done before in 2019 is not the same thing that is on ground now. Completely different. And the earlier we capture everything, the better for all of us. That's why today I'm here. That is why I came, so that I do not, I told them clearly, I came here representing my people and representing the government of Kenya, so that you guys who came to serve my people do not have a problem in my constituency.
Yeah.
And if we start right from my constituency, all the other constituency will follow the same, and it will be all right. Are you getting? Yes, this is my constituency. It is the first point of entry from Lamu.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Austin, do what you've not done before. You better do it now. It's not just
Yeah, it's true. What we do before, we do now. That's my point, Madam CEO. Okay, try to talk to Mburu so that he can explain better to you.
Talk to Mburu, because let me tell you, those are the leaders elected by the people to represent them. And it will make our work difficult if we don't cooperate with them. So what we do, ensure that the data you collected earlier is shared with them, what you're on it.
Yeah.
Then once which you have done, you repeat them and do.
Yeah. Madam CEO, I'm trying so much to be professional in what I'm doing, and I'm trying so much also to hear them, because they're our people. You have to assist them. And you know very well that any structure which is not there before gazettement, I shouldn't include. But I've told them, I've gone to that level for them to add for them what is there, in case it's there currently. But essentially, you know that.
Explain the land acquisition process to us. What does the policy say? Let us understand.
Yeah, because essentially I should not add those documents. So for me to add anything that Walieka after gazettement is from my own love for them. And they should understand that in case I'm adding anything on the list we had, it's because I understand their plight. And that's what I'm trying to tell the RMP, that I'm ready to add anything which was out there, which I should not do.
What you do, just sit with her and make her understand. Don't be hurry to go to the next session.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem.
I'm looking to avoid call right away.